Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where you learn practical English easily, clearly, and confidently. I'm Jassy, and in today's episode, I'll teach you the most effective methods to help you never forget English phrases again. Yes, never again. We'll take it step by step. You'll hear real examples, repeat with me, and learn how to remember these English phrases for life. So get comfortable, and let's begin. All right, let's start with a simple truth. If you forget phrases quickly, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain hasn't learned the phrase deeply. Phrases you only see once are like strangers. You'll forget them fast. But phrases you've heard, seen, and connected to your life become your old friends. So, how do we make new English phrases our friends? Here are my favorite techniques. First, one of the most important things when learning a new phrase. Don't learn it in isolation. Don't just read it once. Don't just write it on a list. That doesn't help much. You need to put the phrase into a real sentence, a sentence that means something to you. You need to use it the way people actually speak, making it feel like something you'd say in your daily life. Let me show you. Take the phrase hang out, which means to spend casual time with friends. Don't just repeat hang out. Hang out, hang out. That really doesn't work. Instead, try this. Say with me, I love to hang out with friends on weekends. Good. Now say, let's hang out at the park tomorrow night. Even better. One more. We haven't hung out in ages. I miss you. That's how people speak in real life. That's real. Living English. Let's try another phrase. Figure out means to solve or understand something. Say with me, I spent an hour trying to figure out this math problem. Good. Another one. We need to figure out our travel route soon. Nice. One more. He finally figured out why his computer was broken. You see, every sentence gives the phrase new life. You're not just learning the meaning, you're learning how to use it. One more phrase. Run out of means to use up all of something. Say with me, we've run out of milk. We need to buy more. Great. Another. I ran out of phone data during the trip. Good. Try this. If we run out of gas, we'll be stuck on the road. Notice what you're doing? Each sentence is like a little story. Your brain might not remember run out of, but it will remember needing milk, losing phone data, or being stuck without gas. That's how you learn vocabulary. Here's my daily challenge for you. Every day, pick just one phrase, but make 3 full sentences with it. Say those sentences out loud. Use them in conversations or text messages. The more you use the phrase in real-life sentences, the faster it becomes part of your language. Repeat it in the morning, repeat it in the evening. See it, say it, use it. That's how you truly own a phrase. Okay, here's another useful tip. If you want to remember new English phrases for a long time, use them quickly. Yes, quickly, like within 24 hours. Why? Because if you don't use a new phrase soon after learning it, your brain throws it away. It thinks, oh, This phrase isn't important. I'll forget it. So remember this simple rule. Use it or lose it. If you learn a new phrase today, try to use it today. Say it out loud. Write it in your notebook. Text a friend using it or speak it into your phone. Another secret to remembering English phrases. Don't just learn the phrase itself. Make it personal. Connect it to your life, your memories, your feelings. When a phrase means something to you, your brain holds on to it tightly. Think of it like this. A phrase is like a photo. A photo of a stranger is easy to forget, but a photo of your family? You'll remember it forever. So let's make phrases your family. Take the phrase feel down, which means to feel sad or depressed. Say with me, I really felt down when I failed the exam. Now think, when was the last time you felt down? Maybe when you lost something, had an argument with a friend, or had a bad day at work. Say with me, I felt down for days after arguing with my best friend. That's your sentence now. This phrase belongs to you. One more. I always feel down on rainy days. Imagine that feeling. Connect it to a real moment. That's how you'll remember it. One of my favorite techniques for remembering English phrases, visualize. Create a picture in your mind. Don't just say the phrase, see it. Imagine a real scene. Why? Because your brain loves pictures. Words and images means strong memories. Think about it. You can remember a photo from 5 years ago, but you might forget a sentence from 5 minutes ago. That's the power of visual memory. Let's try light up, which means to suddenly look happy. Say with me, her eyes lit up when she received the birthday gift. Now stop, close your eyes, and imagine a birthday party, a friend opening a gift, eyes shining, smile spreading. Can you see it? Say with me, the whole room lit up when we heard the good news. You're not just learning light up. You're feeling it, seeing it. That makes it unforgettable. Next time you learn a phrase, ask yourself, what do I see when I hear this phrase? Can I make a little movie in my head? How can I make it real? You can even draw it in your notebook, find a photo online, or act it out with your hands. The more emotion you put in, the deeper the phrase sticks in your brain. Here's a game-changing tip for vocabulary learning. Don't learn random phrases. Don't pick one from here and another from there. That's like trying to build a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. They won't fit. Instead, learn connected phrases. Words from the same topic, the same story. Why? Because your brain loves categories, stories, meaningful groups. When phrases are connected, you remember them all better. Let's try this together. Let's talk about food. Say with me, chow down, which means to eat quickly and hungrily. I was hungry all day, so I chowed down on dinner. Next phrase, pick at, to eat very little, without appetite. When I'm sick, I can only pick at my food. Next phrase, pig out, to eat a lot greedily. We pigged out on pizza and cake at the weekend party. Now you've learned 3 phrases all about eating. Imagine a little story. He chowed down on noodles after being hungry all day. But the next day, he was sick and could only pick at bread. By the weekend, he was better and pigged out on snacks with friends. Now, these phrases are like friends holding hands in your brain, no longer alone. So when you learn a new phrase, ask, can I group it with similar phrases? Can I make a story with them? Can I imagine a scene using all of them? You can create small stories for any topic. At a cafe, gym, school, trip, or birthday party. The stronger the connections, the stronger your memory. Remember, isolated phrases are forgettable. Phrases and stories together are memorable. That's it for today's episode. You didn't just listen. You learned, practiced, imagined, and built real connections. Remember, learning English isn't just about memorizing phrases. It's about using them, feeling them, and living with them every day. So keep listening, keep repeating, and build your English step by step. I'm Jassy, and this is ZF English Channel. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.